So just, we're going left?
Hang on, so at the intersection, yeah, left of the intersection. Yep. 60, 7 right plus, 40.
Yep.
8 long, 8 left over small crest, 120. Flat over this. 8 right, tighten 7 minus, 30. Very long, 6 left, 30. 6 left, 30, 6 right. 150, 6 right here, 150. 8 left over small crest, 80.
Yep.
Long 7 right minus, 30. Very long 7 left, 60. 7 right. 50 past junction, 7 left. 40, long 6 right. K 850. K 850. Now just watch the 200 k's an hour here.
850.
Yeah, 850. K. Just watch the 200 k's, yeah?
Yeah. We're way off it.
Yep. 7 left plus at the end. Yep. 250. Our onboard started here. Long flat, small crest, 200.
Long flat.
Yep. Flat over this. Small crest, 80. Braking after crest. 6 right plus, 120. 6 left. 180. Flat, small crest, 500. 6 right plus over small crest at the blue mailbox. 120. 6 right plus. 120. 6 right, 250. 6 left minus, 180. Very long, 8 right to tighten, 7 minus, late, 50, remember this bit. 8 left over small crest here, 30, 6 left plus. 6 left plus. 60. Small crest, 60. Oh, long 4 right, sorry, I got lost yet, 40. 6 left plus, 40. Turn 4 left plus, turn 4 left plus, 60. Long 5 right over small crest, 40. 5 left, 60.
Yep.
5 right plus. Long 4, 5 right plus here, long 4 left minus, 80. Long 5 right minus, small crest, 7 left, 150. So, yep, small crest, 120, flat over the crest, 120. 8 left, oh sorry, 6 left.
Oh.
Sorry.
Oh, we're a bit lost, mate.
Yes, 8 right over 250.
Yeah.
And a long 5 left plus. Long 6 right minus, 40. 6 left plus, K350. 6 right minus past junction, 80. 5 left plus, 30. 6 right plus, K250. 7 left, 80.
Yeah.
And 7 left minus, 50.
Yeah.
So long, 6 right minus, tightens, 250.
Yeah.
6 left, 300. 6 left, 40, turn, 5 left minus. $80. 7 right. Yeah, small crest, 500. 3 small crests, 150.
Yeah.
And a 7 right small crest. You got 150 after this, 7 right over small crest. Yep, 7 right there, 150. Small crest, 300, flat over this. Small crest, 8 right, 300.
Yeah.
Flat, come on, flat,
Yeah,
flat.
yeah,
Long,
yeah.
7 right minus. K450. 6 left minus at the end by the sign, and a 5 right plus. $120. 7 left minus, small crest, 7 right, 300.
7 left.
Minus, small crest, 7 right, 300. Yep. Small crest, 100. Turn 4 left minus. 100 after the crest.
Oh, yeah.
100 after the crest. Yep. Long 6 right minus. 40. That was the sum guard, eh?
Yep.
6 left, 450. 6 right, opens long, tightens 6 minus, 150. Long 6 right plus, 30. Long 5 left to small crest, 300. Small crest, 300 here. Yep. 7 right minus over small crest, K60.
7 right over.
Yep, over the crest, 7 right minus.
And then what?
K60, long 6 left over small crest. 6 left here, long 150. Long 7 left plus, long small crest, 8 right, 60. And a 6 right. 60. 6 right, K80.
6 right.
Yep. 6 left minus, 80, small crest, 50. 6 right past junction, 40.
Yeah.
8 right, 120.
Yeah.
8 right, yep, 5 left plus, tightens. Opens over small crest. Opens over the crest, K80. Small crest, 6 right plus. Small crest, 200. Small
Yeah.
crest, 7 left minus, 150. 6 right plus, 80. 8 left, opens, tightens 7 over small crest, tightens 7 after the crest. 60, turn long 4 left minus, sorry, what opens. 100. 8 left over long small crest, 80, 5 right. Repeat, 5 right, 60. 6 left, 120. Small crest, 40.
Yeah.
6 right minus, 30. 6 right plus to small crest, 60.
Yeah.
Long 5 left. Long 4 right plus. 5 left plus 150. So 4. And a 5 left plus here, 150.
Yeah.
Long 5 right plus. Nearly there. 8 left over small crest, 40. 6 left. 100. 6 right, 200.
Yeah.
6 right minus to small crest. 200. And then 5 left. 200 after this corner, 5 left. 80.
What's this one?
5 left. 80. Finish. Long 6 right. Small crest.
Yeah, nice.